Today we're checking out the J&L 3.0 oil separator in black anodized for the driver's side of the 2020 and newer 6.6 liter gas Silverado 2500 HD. If you're looking to safeguard your engine while enhancing its long-term performance, this billet aluminum accessory is a smart, high-quality solution that's worth looking into. This oil separator features a large 3-ounce billet aluminum reservoir that captures the oil-laden crankcase vapors before they can enter your intake system, and it's critical for maintaining intake cleanliness, throttle body function, and peak combustion efficiency. It has a multi-stage filtration system right here in the top, and that's going to begin with a fine stainless steel mesh that captures even the smallest oil droplets. After that stainless steel filter, there's a dense aluminum honeycomb filter that's fully going to capture these droplets to ensure only clean air continues through that PCV system, effectively reducing carbon buildup, preserving octane efficiency, and extending the engine life. Machined from solid billet aluminum with a slick black anodized finish, this unit offers rugged durability while blending seamlessly into that engine bay. It includes OEM style quick connect fittings and mounting hardware, making it a quick plug and play installation, and it's going to preserve the factory aesthetic under the hood. Built to last, the canister and the top are made out of solid billet aluminum construction. It has an O-ring base, and the end cap are all engineered for durability and easy service. This trap and drain design is built to prevent leaks and allow for hassle-free maintenance when checking or emptying collected oil. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's going to come in right in that $200 price range for a full unit. That's a solid value when you consider the protection it's going to provide in that engine and the long-term health that it gives you. When it comes to the installation, this is going to be rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 1 hour of your time. Everything you need for the install is going to be included in the kit, like this nice mounting bracket and the bolts, so it should be a pretty easy plug and play installation. You just want to make sure that after you install it, you check how much oil you've collected after 500 to 1,000 miles, and that'll let you know exactly what your maintenance routine should be based on your exact driving style. Now, let's see exactly how this install process goes with a quick video from one of our American Trucks customers.
What you're going to need for tools is just a standard Phillips screwdriver and a 13mm socket. Today we're going to install a oil catch can. So I got a hold of the folks over at American Trucks, and they sent me this J&L OSC oil catch can, oil separator. As you can see, I've already put the bracket on. I need to tighten it up just a little bit. It does come with a flanged head bolt for the spare battery holder. If you have a spare battery holder, there's a bolt here that you're going to reuse, and you can just hold on to that one. So let's go ahead and tighten our bracket up here, and just be careful to straighten it, keep it straight, and obviously not to over tighten it, because you will bend your battery bracket here. And let's take this and line up our screws here. As you can see, J&L oil separator can. This is for the 2020 to 2024 Silverados. Let's put this here. We'll line up our screws. There's one. There's the other. And we take our Phillips screwdriver and just give these, they don't have to be super He-manned, just snug. Okay, there's that. Now, these lines are going to replace the stock PCV lines that runs here from the intake over to your valve cover. Some of these are that I've installed. They've had gray O-rings or blue O-rings. This one has green in it. Just make sure that you put a little bit of oil or penetrating oil or something in there. You can slide these over real nice, because you know sometimes they don't like to pop out. There's your line that goes down to the PCV valve, and here's the one that goes to your intake, because there's your throttle body. You just push down on the button and it just pops out. See, this one has white O-rings in it. And This one here also has a white O-ring in it. So the one that's located on the O side, that's going to go to your valve cover. Just snaps on, nice and easy. And then this one here, also with a green O-ring, that's going to go to your intake. And there you have it. They recommend that you service these every oil change. I run full synthetic on this, so I run every 5,000 miles. This does have a removable oil can on the bottom. There is an O-ring right here on the lip that you need to watch for. Every once in a while, you take it off and you just clean it. But these don't have to be He-Manned either. Just make sure it's tight, and yeah, there you have it.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of this J&L 3.0 oil separator in black anodized finish for the driver's side of the 2020 and newer 6.6 liter gas Silverado 2500 HD. And for all things Silverado, keep it right here at American Trucks.